In the last 2 months, I broke down the nitty-gritty of French beading for you with the first 5 technique projects from my book. We are ready to dive in deeper with the cover project, this summer wildflowers arrangement of Brown-Eyed Susan, Echinacea, and Shasta Daisy. Hi everyone, my name is Fen Lee, designer here at the Bead Flora studio and author to the book Bead Flora, the revival of French beaded flowers. On this channel, I offer technique reference guides, tip videos, and free beaded flower tutorials. If you'd like to learn more, consider subscribing. Next week, we will start the bead along for the cover project. I will release the full video tutorials for all the projects. I also put together a full kit, and you'll have everything you need to recreate the full arrangement using the exact beads I'm using. Let's take a look at the kit. I will put the link in the description with where you can get the kit. Also, join me and other French beaders in the Learn French Beading Facebook group to show off your flowers. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.